Man, blow a little harder. So I blow. He said, come on, man. I said, yes. I blow harder now. He said, yes, man. That's the way to blow. And you see the 3 times when I blow? I sit in the box with that. Jesus Christ. After weeks.
Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. Today we are chill on a Sunday evening. Back again, chat to Papa Toots about growing up in the 50s in where you born again?
From
Katadupa, St. James.
Yeah.
Continue watching this video. Yeah, so tell me where you born and grow and thing there.
Welcome back.
Bush.
Welcome back to Papa Toots. Greetings.
Come back to Papa Toots.
Come
Papa
back to
Toots
Papa
channel
Toots.
name.
This is part 2 from Papa Toots. Yes. I was grew up in a district by the name of Belfond in Katadupa, St. James.
Bush.
Yes, man. Bush, man. Another thing Bush to that. But we grew up good. I grew up with lots of sisters.
How much sister you have? So?
About 6.
6 girl.
6 sisters, about that.
How much brother?
Me is the one brother by my,
One boy.
by my mother and father.
So that means you used to act like girl and just up with them and dolly house with them. And
Everything. Bathe them, keep them clean.
What do you mean bathe them?
You know, when somebody bathe baby, man.
Oh, when them a baby? Oh.
Bathe
So
them.
you have fear room different and then them have for them room?
Yes, we grew up good. But,
You not answer?
yes,
You have your room different from them?
yes.
I don't sleep in one bed.
Yeah, so my time we have to sleep in the one bed. God, was life was poor, so my time, you know, poor. God bless now.
So you don't grow up with mother and father?
Yes,
So
grew up with my mother and father.
So how the life poor?
Yes, the life was poor. But
So your mother no work, father no work?
it's farming. Sometimes the farming is up and sometimes it's down.
You never play a good day in time.
No, those times are cheap, but we still eating food. Still make some. My mother used to go to market, plant a lots of gungo peas. All those things my mother used to plant. Dry trash we used to put in a mattress in a man.
No mattress?
Eh?
Oh.
Dry the trash at the time and sun it in a.
And put it in a bag?
And put in a bag in my mattress.
Oh, no mattress you put it in? You make a mattress?
My mother made the mattress bag. And put in it, you know. And at night time we run and jump in it, you know. You see when they go, you hear chow.
So when you make it high up?
High up, man.
A trash?
High up like a trash. Oh, God.
So, like your parents is strict now, you never have no girlfriend and so? Or you carry on girlfriend?
I wish girlfriend. You couldn't carry girlfriend that got talk about girlfriend.
So you never carry none girl?
No, I'm a big man.
So they are big man, how you do it?
I'm a big man now. Girlfriend, come my yard.
Ah, well.
You
Invite them come and your mother make them come there?
And when I'm gone and tell me, say, be careful of myself. Yes, man.
When you're a big man like how, 18?
Yes, man. When I'm
15,
big,
16.
yeah, man, a big man. He's 15, bigger man. 15, you can't have a girlfriend.
15 you can't have a girlfriend?
Oh, you could have a girlfriend, yes, but you couldn't
Hide.
talk. Hide, you have to hide. You have to hide.
So I'm to girl them now, how them do it?
Huh? Them is strict, man. My mother is strict on them.
You couldn't carry nobody come there?
No, so I couldn't get nobody come
So
here.
nobody never try carry nobody?
Yes. The one they call March now. Every night, my husband named Ryan. And every night, Ryan come
That is
here.
my husband is?
No, come here, come check him. But out a gate they stop. And I want banana tree, they told him about the song and chat them. So when he gone, my mother said, watch it, you say if he can't come in the yard, yeah. I'm going to burn him up.
That's why I did wicked.
Wicked. But my mother was strict. Carry me in the yard because anything come, in our stand to it. Anyway, because he was a shy man, you know. Until now, right, shy. Until now.
Right, still alive.
Still alive, man.
Shout out to him. You attack your business, you attack your man business.
Big up, brother Roy. Papa Toots. Feel no way, Papa Toots. Me the for the second interview, yeah. The cools. Now my daughter. For the Sunday evening, I come from church and I get some beautiful interview for my daughter, yeah. Big up Marge and everyone I know.
Professor man.
The professor man used to come in a district on professor evening time. And the man.
What do you mean, professor?
You know, professor in could duty, man.
Other man?
I know, man, a professor man.
So I know.
Come here, district man, in professor till it. One night he called me. I went in called me the night. He said, come here, young boy. So I go up to him. Don't know what I never do. So he tie up my hand. And put one bag over me hand them and say, me fi blow 3 times. So me blow. He said, come on man, blow a little harder. So me blow. He said, come on man. I said, yes. And me blow harder now. He said, yes man, that's the way to blow. And you see the 3 times when me blow? I sit in the box with that. Jesus Christ. And for weeks.
You see box you?
I never see when
you feel it in the box?
Box me man. I'm Mrs. Star. Yes man, Mrs. Star. And Dad Fred and he come from my mother's yard and tell my mother say, not going to me. That is the profession, not going to me.
So what did box you?
I don't know what box me. For demons
so
box me.
He tie up for your hand?
Tie up my hand. And put
he tie up for him hand too?
No.
So him box you?
I know him box me.
So who box you?
I was it me. Tie up my hand and throw one bag over it. And tell me if you blow. And when me blow the first time, he said, no man. Blow a little harder. Me blow. He said, come on man, blow again. Me blow. Jesus Christ. You see last time I get a box as a star. Or Fred, not in the food I could have eat. Not in the food I could have eat. My mother target bad now. I'm going on the night and
see you there about how much time?
yeah, young little boy man. But me grow up rough, you know, man. Until now, man.
Well, if you grow rough and you grow up, you grow up.
Yeah, well, grow up rough, man. We grow up rough.
What best memory you have growing up? Nah, Ketalupa.
Best memory? It's to climb tree. No man could climb as me. Coconut tree, breadfruit tree, pear tree.
That's the best memory you have.
The best memory.
So how like Christmas?
Swimming. Oh God, Christmas time? Christmas time, man, you have to do little work before we could have go to the man.
When used to go?
My mother is tricky. Oh man, I district man. We got merry-go-round and swing song and all and something, man. My mother is a strict, you know, so he just send you out and he say, we must, in our word to say, if he spit on the drive, we not come in. I beaten that, you know. Yeah, man. Papa Toots.
Then we have like grand market and...
Yes, man.
Grand market, go shop.
Yes, man. Those times was a good time. Good time. Those times was a very good time from now. Now you can hardly come out an item with the house. Good.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment and share with your friends. Happy Sunday!